Today we're going to replace the handle or latch in your floor storage on your second generation Hyundai Santa Fe, and we'll do this step by step. This is Caswell's Kappa. Let's get to it. First, we'll open the floor storage. Next, looking under the latch, we'll see two Phillips screws. These need to be removed. With the screws removed, take the whole lower body, lift up and away. Next, to remove the latch, where there's a clip down here, you'll push up on it while pushing towards the front of the vehicle, and it'll slide out. So up and out, and it'll be released. To install the latch, there's two clips, so this has to go in one way. You'll slide it in, push down till it clicks. Next, take the lower half of the body, slide it on the same way that you took it off till the holes line up. Next, we'll install the screws. Before you go to tightening it, loosen it first till you feel the thread drop, and then tighten it. That way you don't strip the threads. Once the screws are installed, test your latch, and that's it. You're done. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out. Be sure to check out the channel for more procedures on this specific vehicle, and I will see y'all in the next one. Until then.